how to fix the issue where you're not receiving your Facebook recovery code in WhatsApp. So if you're trying to sign in to your Facebook account but you've forgotten the password, I'm going to show you how we can go and recover this if you're not receiving the verification code. So first thing we need to do is go and click on forgotten password, click on search by email address, and then go and type in the email address on your Facebook account. You can then click on continue. And now if this device has been saved in the past, it should automatically log you into Facebook. Now if this doesn't work, I'm going to show you another way to do this as well. So all we need to do is go and open up an internet browser. You then need to type in facebook.com/help/verify and then press enter. You can then scroll down the page and you'll have the option to confirm with email address instead. So go and click on the tap here button. You can then click on forgotten password. You can click on search my email address, and once again you can search for your email address in order to recover your account. This should now send a verification code to your registered email address, and you'll just need to go and enter this code in order to recover your account. If you still can't gain access to this, you can click on try another way, and you can then select another verification method. So for me, I just have my email set up, so I'm going to press continue, and then I'll just need to enter my email verification code. Now if you have tried everything and you still can't gain access to your account, you can click on help at the bottom of the login page. You can then scroll down and click on login and password. You can then click on I can't access the email address or phone number on my account. That will take you over to this recovery page, and you'll just need to go through the steps in order to recover your Facebook account. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.